Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video I'm going to be doing a landscape on canvas using the Liquitex soft body acrylics. You might recall that I did review these a few months ago when I bought my first set of them. If you didn't see that review, I'll put the link to that up here. But the ones that I got were basically the starter set, which has the three primary colours in, as well as black, white and green. And they come in the size 22ml, but I decided it was about time I got some more colours because I've quite enjoyed using these. I'm tending to use them in a very watercolory way, so you can use them two ways. You can use them straight from the tube and get a little bit more impasto if you want to, although they're nice and creamy, or you can add some water and use them more loosely. And I like using a combination of both those two things so that you can just, you can use them in two ways in one painting and build your painting up that way. So I'll just show you one that I've done recently on canvas. I'll have to put it in front of my face because otherwise it'll be out of shot. So this was using the acrylics, just those colours that I've got in the first starter set, and then I added some charcoal over the top. So all that drawing over the top is with willow charcoal. But you can see I've used some very watercolory techniques in some areas and then put it on quite thickly in other areas, so you get that nice variety. But I wanted to try some more colours. And when you buy the colours singularly, they seem to come in this size, which is 59ml. You can get bigger ones, but it becomes quite expensive buying lots of colours, and there's a really nice colour range. So I just bought 6 to begin with, as like I said, they're quite expensive. They've got the light fasteners put on the side there, and they're all light fast, so that's great. So I've got quinacridine crimson, I've got Indian yellow, ultramarine blue, burnt sienna. I bought another white because I'd used quite a lot of the white, and I've also bought a raw sienna, which is one of my favourite colours in my watercolours, so I thought I'd give that a try as well. So I'm looking forward to using these colours, and what I want to do is quite an imaginary landscape and incorporate all these colours into it to give them all a test out to see what I think of them. I love using these paints and I will be buying more colours, but I thought it'd be a good time when I was trying these new colours out that have just arrived in the post to show you these paints once again. So enjoy the rest of the video. Like I say, it's all going to be from the imagination, so I've got no reference photograph or anything to show you, and you'll be able to see my whole process. And what I will do is tilt the board because you'll see that I do use quite a lot of water with them. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like using these Liquitex soft body paints yourself, if you want to tell us about that in the comments below, that would be great as well. And sorry, I did forget to mention that the canvas I'm going to be using today is 30cm squared, so a foot squared. So a nice handy little size to use really, and that's already got some Jetto on it, so that's what I'm going to be working on. And like I said, I'm going to be tilting it slightly to allow the colours to run down. If you have any questions about my process, if you want to ask those in the comments below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, enjoy your painting and drawing, and I'll be back again with you next week with more tutorials and demonstrations. Bye for now.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close.